could join early, but I have a important phone call. So, Dinar, Madagascar, uh, Antananarivo, Malagasy franc, Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, Ringgit, Maldives, Malay, Rufia, Mali, Bamako, CFA franc, Mauritania, Nouakchott, Anguilla, Mauritius, Port Louis, Mauritian rupee, Mexico, Mexico City, Mexican peso, Mongolia, Ulaanbaatar, Tobruk, Montenegro, Podgorica, Euro, Morocco, Rabat, Durham, Mozambique, Maputo, Metikal, Myanmar, Naypyidaw, Kyat, Nepal, Kathmandu, Nepalese rupee, Netherlands, Amsterdam, Euro, New Zealand, Wellington, New Zealand dollar, Nigeria, Abuja, Naira, Norway, Oslo, Norwegian krone, Oman, Muscat, Omani Riyal, Pakistan, Islamabad, Pakistani rupee. Next is Panama, Panama City, Bilbao or US dollar, Papua New Guinea, Port Moresby, Kina, Peru, Lima, New Sol. The next country we can consider is Philippines, Manila, Peso, Poland, Warsaw, Lottie, Portugal, Lisbon, Euro, Qatar, Doha, Qatari Riyal. Next one, Romania, Bucharest, Leu, Russia, Moscow, Ruble, Saudi Arabia, Riyadh, Riyal, Seychelles, Victoria, Seychelles rupee, Sierra Leone, Freetown, Leone, Singapore, Singapore dollar, Somalia, Mogadishu, Somali shilling, South Africa, Pretoria administrative, Cape Town legislative, and Bloemfontein judiciary, and their currency is rand. South Sudan, Juba, Sudanese pound, Spain, Madrid, euro, Sri Lanka, Colombo, Sri Lankan rupee, Sudan, Khartoum, dinar, Sweden, Stockholm, krona, Switzerland, Bern, Swiss franc. Syria, Damascus, Syrian pound, Taiwan, Taipei, Taiwan dollar, Tanzania, Dodoma, Tanzanian shilling, Thailand, Bangkok, Baht, Tunisia, Tunis, Tunisian dinar, Turkey, Ankara, Turkish lira, Turkmenistan, Ashgabat, Manat, Tuvalu, Waiku village, Australian dollar, Uganda, Kampala, Ugandan new shilling. So I think these were the different countries, their capitals, and the currencies which we have considered. So let's continue with the next one. Fine. So okay, I think we have gone through the Uganda, right? Now here you can consider the next one is the United Arab Emirates, UAE, right? Yes, we will consider Uruguay, United Arab Emirates, UAE, and its capital is Abu Dhabi. And its currency is UAE dirham. UAE dirham. Right. Then Uzbekistan. Uzbekistan's capital is Tashkent. Tashkent. And its currency is Uzbekistan Som. Right. So which one? UAE. It's Asian country. You must be knowing it, right? Then next you can have here is Ukraine. Ukraine. Ukraine, whose capital is Kiev, and its currency is Ukrainian hryvnia. Ukrainian hryvnia, right? HRYV. To 25, 125. Oh, the country is 126. Fine. Next is United Kingdom. Someone has written UK. United Kingdom. London. Right. Pound sterling is its currency. Pound sterling. Fine. Is its currency. Then United States. United States. Its capital is Washington. And its currency is United States dollar. United States dollar, US dollar. Next one you can consider is Uruguay. Uruguay. Chandrasekhar, we will search out it right now. Rather, no doubt we must have skipped some of the countries, right? So, sorry, you were looking, so you were saying its capital, right? So, the capital of the Uruguay is exactly Montevideo. Montevideo, and its currency is Uruguayan peso. Uruguayan peso. Right. So Uruguayan peso is its currency. Now, next one. Probably we will try, right? But for that, we have to search out some of the missed countries. Let's see if possibly or easily we can do, then we will go through that particular. Fine. Anyway, then the next one we can write is Zambia. Yes, we will write 20. How much? We will write till countries. Maybe around. Now, whatever we have started, we will finish it out, and later on, we will consider some of the countries as per the continents, right? So, if we go as per the continent, then we will be having their exhaustive list, right? So, yes, you can now consider the next one is Vietnam. Vietnam. Hanoi, yes, exactly. Its capital is Hanoi, and its currency is Dong. Fine. Then next is Vanuatu. Vanuatu. Yes, we will be writing Venezuela. Fine. Port Vila is Port Vila, and you can consider its currency as Vatu. Right. Then consider the Vatican City. Vatican City. I think this particular city is also known as Holy See. Right, Holy See. So its capital is same, Vatican City. See, you have to look into Vatican City and Mexican City, right? Which one? I forgot. One more time we have come across the city. Maybe. Anyway, so we may come across it again. So Vatican City is its capital and its currency is euro. Yes, exactly. World's smallest country if we consider. So in current affairs, you will be coming across these different titles. Yes, less than 1,000 population of that particular country we can consider. Right. So next in this is Venezuela. Yes, Caracas is its capital. So Venezuela, Caracas. And Venezuelan Bolivar is its Venezuelan Bolivar. Bolivar. Right, Bolivar. Fine. That is of Venezuela. Okay. Now Z. I think UVWXY. So we will be having some, yes, Y countries, Yemen, right? So let's write about the Yemen. Next is Yemen, yes, Sanai and Yemen Riyal. So Yemen, Sana. You can write, I think it like this, Sanai, and its currency is Yemen Riyal. Right, so I think only one country, or is there? I think, I guess only one. Fine. So now we will be going for, I think, the last letter. Zambia. Right. Yes. Lusaka, whose capital is Lusaka. And its currency is Zambian. Is the spelling of Yugoslavia start by Y? So Lusaka, Zambian. Kwacha, Kwacha, Zambian Kwacha, right, is its currency. You can have its screenshot if you wish. I will go to the next page. Next, you can have here. It is Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe. Its capital is Harare, and its currency is Zimbabwean dollar. Zimbabwean dollar. Right. The next you can consider here is I think finished. So how much countries we lag if you consider 193 total, or you can consider 208, and we have 138, sorry, 135. Right, so around, right, so we have to search out some of other countries as well. Fine. No doubt we will be going through these some countries which we can consider. Okay, at this moment I wish to ask you, any one of you have it seen that have you seen that which country is in which of the continent? Right, so whatever the countries we have written down, right? Anybody? So from where we have started? So we have started by Afghanistan, right? Few of them, okay. Now see, if you want to, so see, only listing down these, exactly, Afghanistan is a nation, no doubt. Only listing down these countries in your notebook is not going to help you, right? What I guess. Then what would be the way? Now, see, keeping in mind 150 or 200 countries, their capitals and currencies, obviously it will take a lot of efforts. You know, how you can distinguish them? So my opinion is that you should always categorize them into the continent, right? So go by continent, right? So you have Africa, right? You have Asia, right? You have third continent as Australia, right? You have fourth continent as Europe, right? Then you have next continent as North America, South America, right? So likewise, these 6 different continents will help you out to remember these different right, what we can consider these different countries, right? So that will be the best option, right, which you can consider in. Now here if I ask you again one question, which is, for example, about the country called Angola, right? So Angola, right? Anybody knows where it is? Yes, it is in the continent of Africa. So likewise, right, that will definitely, thank you, Ishan. That will definitely help you out in finding out these things. Probably again, if you could see, it's what I can consider flag, national flag, right? Then another thing is the language, then it would be always better, right? See, as far as the questions or the theory questions are concerned, right? So, or see, it is not only a point of view of the written paper or the theory questions, right? It is greatly a matter of the interview, right? So, of effective part of being effective communication, right? So, anyway, that would be the way which we can consider in this particular case. Fine. Now we have option that we will be sorting out. I will be giving you remaining countries, right? Now, can we go with the either president or the prime minister of whatever the countries we have noted down, right? Since we have left some place for them, right? So I guess we should go through that, right? That will again help us to go through these particular. Okay, I may use different colored pen. Okay, so let's go with the next one, right? The Afghanistan. So its president is shall I go with